everyone. Let us solve the following. Which term of the AP 3, comma 8, comma 13, comma 18 and so on is 78? Okay, so we are given one AP 3, 8, 13, 18, so on, and one more term is given 78. We need to find out which term is that particular 78 in that AP. Okay, right. So what is the formula for nth term of an AP? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and n is the number of the term and d is the common difference. Okay, right. Now let us identify the given values. What is the given AP here? 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma 18, so on. Okay, so the first term a is 3 and nth term is also given, that is 78. Okay, and we will find out the common difference by just simply subtracting the first term from the second term, because in the formula of a plus n minus 1 into d is the common difference. Okay, so here for this given AP, what is the common difference here? So here the second term is 8, the first term is 3. Okay, so 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. We can subtract second term from the third term also to find out the common difference. Obviously it is also 5. Okay, so the common difference is 5 and nth term is 78 and the first term is a. For first term, that is nothing but 3, a is equal to 3. Now we are going to find out the position of that particular term. What is the value of n there? Okay, let us substitute all these things in the formula. Again, let us recapitulate the formula of nth term. A is equal a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a n is given 78. So a is 3 in that particular AP and d is 5. We have subtracted the first term from the second term. So we got 5 here. That is the common difference. So we are substituting all these values in the formula. An is equal to 78, a is 3 plus n minus, we are going to find out the value of n only, n minus 1 into d is 5. We substituted. Let us simplify them. So 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78. So here we are simplifying, no? That's why we are getting 3 this side. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. Here plus 3 becomes minus 3. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3 means 75. So n minus 1. Here it is in multiplication. So while it comes here, it becomes division. So n minus 1 is equal to 75 by 5. That is equal to 15. Okay, right. Next, n minus 1 is equal to 15. So n is equal to, again this minus 1 becomes here, when we get from this side to this side, it becomes plus 1. So n is equal to 16. Okay, so what is the given question here? Which term of the AP is AP 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma 18 is 78? This is the question. So obviously 16th term of that particular AP becomes 78. It will become 78 here. Okay, just to recapitulate the question, I have given here also. Okay, so n value we have found it out as 16. That means the 16th term of that particular AP, which is the AP here, 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma 18, it becomes 78. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.